Knowing what to flush will help you protect your in-home plumbing as well as your community wastewater system from inconvenient and costly repairs. The only items that should ever be flushed down the toilet are bodily waste and toilet paper, but there are other items that people commonly flush that can cause blockages and backups of the wastewater system. Despite marketing claims, you should never flush baby wipes or other personal hygiene wipes. Utilities nationwide spend millions each year removing products like these from the sewer system and other equipment, and these wipes can also clog the pipes of your in-home plumbing. They're not designed to break down in water like toilet paper is, and instead they should be thrown in the trash. Paper towels are another common household item that's designed to hold up to water and chemical products, and they won't break down in the wastewater system. Instead, paper towels should be disposed of in the trash. Other items like ear swabs, dental floss, feminine hygiene products, cotton balls, and other hygiene items should all be disposed of in the trash can and not the toilet. You should also never flush over-the-counter or prescription medication, nor should you throw it in the trash. Instead, take it to your community's medication drop-off location for proper disposal. You can find these locations for your community online. Cooking grease is another common item which should never be poured down the toilet or drains of your household. The grease will cool and harden, causing blockages, which could cause wastewater to back up into your home or the community. Instead, pour the grease into a heat-safe container and throw the container in the trash. Knowing what to flush will help you protect your pipes and avoid costly plumbing repairs. It also helps protect the environment from wastewater overflows in our community from clogged pipes, keeping our waterways cleaner. For more information, visit KUB.org.